Hi, this is Shane with The Rational Trader. It's Monday the 6th, I think. Yeah, so my result for the day was 62.50. 62.50. No trades in oil or the yen, though I recall getting a signal in the yen. Did I not? I just didn't get filled, yeah. So there's the short in the yen. It would just scratch because it's basically the market's chopping sideways there. We wanted the place to get in was before I start trading, which is here during the overnight session. Let's see, and then in oil, I don't recall if I got a signal in oil or not. Nice up move there after 9 o'clock. And there as well, that's before the open. Yeah, so this is something we're thinking about now. If we look at this here, all of this is well outside the value area and nowhere near a low volume node. So this pullback here needs to be enough to get us basically to there. And it's not quite there, so I'm not looking. So far I'm holding before I try to do something about that or not. The initial work I did was before the current effort that's sort of really trying to reduce the number of trades we take per day. And this gets pretty noisy is the problem, and noise is our enemy here. So we'll have to see. I want to continue. I want to finish the current work that I'm doing before I go chasing this here. Though the initial work I did will inform what we do next. But I've got no chance here unless it pulls back deep enough to a low volume node. So in other words, to a price level where we've seen how the market behaves at that price level. So here we're in price discovery mode, and that's noisier. Okay, so that's unfortunate that we missed that. More unfortunate is what happens in the euro, because I get a very clean signal right here. It's a beautiful entry, or a beautiful signal. I didn't get filled. So the order gets placed right there. I get touched but not filled, and then I miss that. And then adding insult to injury is I then take a short right there since I'm not long and take a loss for 6 ticks here. So the question is, what could I have made there? Now, as it happens, I had members that got filled here. They were actually in the trade until the end of the day. So that pullback looks pretty deep. How deep is it? Alt 2. It is 16 ticks, so we're trailing by 20. So we'll survive that pullback. None of these other pullbacks are deep enough. So what would we have made? Let's see. Let's torture ourselves. Entry was there, and let's see. So the max move was 45. So 25 would be, you just subtract 20 since we tried by 20. 25 would be the sort of the max you'd expect to get. You'd probably get a little bit more, given you're gonna get out here just before the market closes. Okay. So this is painful here. You gotta like the signal though, so I'm happy with that. And then in gold, along here on this break, I like the look of that trade. You can kind of see that it's sideways to slightly higher, and then you break. So I like what I see there in terms of that signal, and then getting filled there. And we make 10, so it must go 30. And let's see if that's right, because we're trailing by 20. So does it go 30? Yeah, 31. So then we took a tick of slippage. And that looks painful, right? We've seen that last week where you get topped out to the tick before it continues higher. In this case, it's done for the day, so no harm, no foul. So $100 there, and then whatever, minus 6 ticks on the other for a total of $62.50 today. So that's it for today. Is that right? Yeah. So let's take a quick look here now. I just want to make sure it's 3 trades. I didn't miss anything. $62.50 on 3 trades. Yeah, okay. All right, so that's all for today. We'll see you next time.